Well, as you can see, you can only go so far because below that there's an actual unit in the white part there. So I can only take off about an inch. In fact, I think I messed it up a little bit but it starts to dip in even more there. I'm gonna have to do some patchwork afterwards. But at least I'm the one that's trying it and not you. Alright, so I'm using this as like a little wall for it. It's a self-adhesive wall repair patch. It's not meant for this. I couldn't find what I was looking for, so I had to compromise as we can. Metal patch and fill. I was looking for epoxy or something, you know, like a plastic, but I couldn't find anything. So we're gonna see how this works. It might be a bust, but we must do what we must. We're gonna let that dry for a bit. Gonna have to need another coat. We'll go for round 2. So I repeated the process. I put the other piece of the iron mesh on top of what we already did, and then I put some more metal sealant on top of that and scraped it down smoothly as I can. I shaved the inside a little bit more just to make it uniform, and all I gotta do is just cut the little bit of wire mesh that's on the outside that you can see there. But the cats have been using it. I haven't been putting no paper towels down. My big cat has been using it head first and he hasn't spilled over. So if you want to fix it, this is a fix. You go about an inch until you hit the white part, and that should be enough. If you happen to go too far like I did, you can definitely patch it up with something at Ace. I was looking for a plastic epoxy, but I couldn't find it. But I used this metal one with a metal mesh and it works great.